Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a popsicle stick house for your rat. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need about 100 to 150 standard craft popsicle sticks. Make sure to use a non-toxic, pet-safe glue, such as Elmer's school glue, to ensure your rat's safety. Also, have a ruler, a pencil, and either a small craft saw or strong scissors ready for precise cuts. Now, let's start building. Begin by creating a sturdy base for the house. Lay 10 to 12 popsicle sticks side by side and glue them together securely. For the walls, you'll construct 4 separate sections, each about 8 to 10 sticks tall. Before gluing the wall sections together, remember to cut a small doorway opening into one of them. This makes it easy for your rat to enter and exit its new home. Next, it's time for the roof and some fun details. Create a flat roof by gluing another 10 to 12 popsicle sticks together, just like you did for the base. Once dry, carefully attach this roof to the top edges of your assembled wall sections with more pet-safe glue. For a personal touch, you might consider adding small windows or other decorative elements using cut stick pieces. Just ensure everything is securely glued and safe for your furry friend. Finally, for the finishing touches, it's crucial to let all the glue dry completely. This usually takes at least 24 hours to ensure maximum stability and safety. Once dry, carefully inspect the entire house for any sharp edges or loose pieces that could harm your rat. Smooth any rough spots with sandpaper if needed. Remember to check the description below for a link to this amazing robot vacuum and other great deals. Your rat will love its new, cozy, handmade home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.